Ebusia yesi bribi ewo wiase ane bribi ni wiase a nka ye da ye ntupunu mu nano Eswatini hene a obepie mu ewo Ghana hase no ede no esan ibepie mu ewo Ashanti region na meka Ashanti region a wate ase ai opemso Otumfuo osentutu na hemfie eye Menhyia ena papa ebepie mu na grande baby ekoso wo honom a na kyese ahemfu mienu yi omo edi nkomo eto ato adwene yese saa da no nsuo etoye ewo Menhyia ne surrounding areas na so baby a Durbar no ekoso no ebusia eseweni sese ye kachiro insu entimi anto honum according to report no yesi Otumfuo Nsumankwaahene no omo ekanchi wo wiem sei ema insu no esizi ye till say omo eye program no ewiye akere say biribi ewo biase yedi de keka ho ebro e Climax TV Ghana mesero say obe subscribe your channel on your Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Climax TV. Feel free to share what dream at the comment section and like your videos no for more latest news updates. And you know, say a handful. Who say Otumfuo eba omo mudi na nimu no ebusuya say nyekwa they carry powers. They carry certain authority. Our authority no mo no omo speak kira honhomone emomu dwane. Omo de omo tumi no protect the king, most especially yehwe Ashanti king. Yes, na sankrofo ne from Sumankwaahene. Eswatini hene ebepie mu ewo Ashanti region. Ebusia na obepie mu ewo Ashanti region no oko Otumfuo osetutu. Yes, odene ho the second. Oko no na hese odi ni di nkomo. Durbar ne hyase se ekoso no ena nsuo no nim emuna aye se eba beto. Na Menhyia ne surrounding areas yesi insuo to ho pa nanso baby a omo eye Grand Durbar no ebusia insuo no entimi anto ho according to reports. Na we are calling for nsema aya na nkrofo bi mu ka say say ahemfo no che say omu ni ne kwa. Yes, it is true. Ebusia eye no kre if you say Sumankwaahene eye nkrofo bi a omu otumi ebusia omu otumi na tumi no omu wono they use the power to protect the kings from external powers. To be sincere, I'm not that much surprised if you say me a history student, okay, and history, part of history baby no already you say in Africa traditional belief no, okay, you need to believe say there is an existence of supernatural powers, and that is true. An existence of supernatural powers, they say who say there's an existence of a certain God that is the supreme being or that is the supreme God. Ebusia, sa God no, he is the creator of you and I, ladies and gentlemen. And aside sa God no, there is another God. So yes, in African traditional belief no, sa nyema na mekeka no eka ho bi. Yes, believe in death, believe in reincarnation. There's a lot because me can hasi adebechi. So I'm asking, who do you seek your protection from? Do you seek your protection from God or do you seek protection from other ways? Ladies and gentlemen, if we are saying who said that was ano and now cow Charlie and now cow because I've heard a lot about Sumankwaahene. I've heard a lot about them. Okay, but this is something I say. People are talking about it. People are really saying, say, oh, okay, so that is how they are. And you who say, almost bibi, Otumfuo ba almost no almost. Say, I don't know the name of it, so I can't just say anything. Almost nobody dealing. So they are controlling their forces. They are, sucking their forces away. They are clearing the way. They are there to protect the king. Hey, Charlie. By African traditional belief, dear, I swear it is the best. Ladies and gentlemen, African traditional belief, it is the best. I am a brofono, ebe change your mind, ebe pollute your mind, ebe can send be my puti traditional beliefs aside. Eko more dear no, and still. This is where we are, ladies and gentlemen. mesro say ne and your first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like videos, and share what at the comment section for more latest news updates. Macau.